top method to create free websites and top method to create websites. So here we today we will discuss how we can make or create website. There is a lot of method to create websites, but some are we discussed today. Before going to video, must like our video and subscribe our channel and do comment. Do you like our video or not? And must like our other videos. So, top method to create website: achieve your advertising goals, increase website visitors, create your account, set a budget, write an ad, and decide where you would like it to appear. Create your own ads and find the right keyword to target your audience on. How much does it cost? How Google Ads work. Promote your app, learn about video ads. Professional website fast, best website maker, 10 best website builders 2021. Your stunning site starts here. How to make website, the only guides you need to build a site. That being said, let's take to the top website builder platform to make your website without hiring developer. Number 1, WordPress. Constant contact website builder. Wix. Getter by HostGator, Zero. Domain.com, website builder. BigCommerce, Shopify. How to choose the best website builder in 2021? Compare WP Beginner. How to build a website 2021? A setup, a step-by-step beginner guide. What is the best way to build website? Which website builder should I use? What is the what's the easiest way to build a website? These are website builder quiz. How much does a website? DIY website builder. What you need to build a website? How to build a business? Coding for business. 3 amazing easy response. How to make a website in 10 minutes. Simple and easy. YouTube website learners. From 0 to 0 is intro. From 032 pick a name for your website, as well as get hosting and domain. To install WordPress, install a new theme, edit the content. What is the best way to make a website? Beginner guide. How to make a great website? Know your get website builder. People also search for WordPress, Squarespace, Weebly, GoDaddy, Shopify, Webflow, Webnode, Jimdo, okay, Stringly, Wix.com, Duda, Wixgamma. So here we discuss Wix.com. How we create website using Wix.com. Which online website builder is best? Website builder. Wix design like no other. Number one, Weebly no match. Weebly unmatch. Ease of use. Squarespace great for blogging. Okay, four. Webnode the polyglot website tool. Best website builder 2021. I have reviewed the best and worst website tool tester.com. Which free website builder is best? Here are the top 10 best free website builders. Wix, best all-round website builder. Weebly, ideal for small business. Site 1 to 3, great design assistant. Stringly, made for simple website. WordPress, perfect for blogging. Jimdo, small online store builder. Simple site, great mobile editor. Is GoDaddy better than Wix? Wix or GoDaddy? Conclusion. Actually, we was discuss the Wix or GoDaddy conclusion already, but I am going to discuss it again because there is a lot of conclusions which differentiate the two methods or two things, Wix and GoDaddy. So we discuss Wix or GoDaddy conclusion. Wix is more powerful builder than GoDaddy, providing a better quality, features, and more scalable plans. GoDaddy, on the other hand, is more limited when it comes to feature and customization, but what it lacks in power, it makes up for the speed. Which website builder is best for small businesses? The best website builder for small business owners. Wix best overall. Squarespace best value for small commerce. Weebly best for brick and mortar shops. GoDaddy best for SaaS setup. WordPress best for complete control. BigCommerce best for large scale e-commerce, and Shopify best for brand new e-commerce business. Why is Wix bad? Wix websites are known to have bad SEO since you are not fully in control of your website. To build a website with good on-page SEO, you must have access to the code and able to constantly monitor your website for potential SEO issues. How much should I pay for website? How much should a website cost through? On average, the upfront cost of site, which include a launching and designing, it is 12,000 to 15,000 while routing website maintenance ranges 35 to 5,000 per month or 400 to 60,000 per year. How much should website cost? The official 2021 guide is Wix actually free? Wix is available free for as long as you want. If you need professional feature like your own domain name or e-commerce, you must choose from one or their premium plans ranging from combo, business, VIP. The cheapest ad-free plan with custom domain name costs $14 per month. So, can I create a free Wix website? Uh, is it easy to build a website? Yes, Wix offer a few different ways to create your own free website, so you can choose the web creation process that works best for you. If you want 100% design freedom, start from scratch and drag the drop website design features you need in the Wix editor. So here there is enough for today. So we will discuss later. So bye bye, take care, see you soon. Bye.